Okay, so I have uh, the DVOM set up now. We are grounded to the case on the manifold, on the pressure manifold switch. I have my test lead back here, right here, connected to terminal C on the manifold assembly, and I'm going to use. GM actually says use a pencil eraser to depress it, but I don't have a pencil, so I'm going to use this GM authorized extension to press the switches in the manifold. You just got to be careful because you don't want to damage the plastic switches. So watch the meter, and we'll hit the first one. And the next one. This third one. And the last one. Alright, so now I've moved my test lead from connector C to D, and we'll go ahead and test the switches again. Alright, and I've moved my test lead to the last terminal, terminal E. Yes, terminal E. And then we'll go through the switches again.